really heartening. He is not only the Chief Minister of the BJP party, he is the Chief Minister for all, Chief Minister for Tripura. How comes being a Chief Minister making such a discriminatory statement? That is, strongly we as a Tipra and as a Tipra Mothani, we strongly condemn. He being as a Chief Minister, he should not mention saying that Sakma people, they can make their script. Why not the Congolese speaking people? Right? We Congolese speaking people have to send this script. The entire nation, the entire country is doing official work, studying in Roman script in English. Now I would like to ask him, when he studied a doctor and when he got a doctorate degree, is he studied in Bengali script or has the course of his medical is in Bengali script, the curriculum or the syllabus? That is what I wanted to ask. Let me make it clear why the Tipra people are wanting the Roman script. This is because we don't only want to speak ourselves, but we want to promote our language, our mother tongue into entire nations. Because if we read our Kokorok in Roman script, today the British, the Americans, the Russians, the Chinese, whoever comes, they can easily come and read. They may not understand, but they will be able to at least read, so that they can learn our Kokorok very easily. Even today, many of the Bengali people also have done their PhD in Kokorok, writing in Roman script in the university. The Bengali script will only enlarge Tripura to Kolkata or else in West Bengal or some part of the Bihar in UP. But if you see today, there are thousands and thousands Bengali people residing in different part of the country. Do they speak in Bengali or do they write in Bengali script and communicate with the nation? No. They are communicating in English, they are writing in Roman script, and they are earning their livelihood by doing their service in communicating in English. So for their reasons, we don't want to confine within ourselves. We were having the script before, but it is the system, it is the institutions that has destroyed our script. For that reason, today the younger generation doesn't have the script. And if you see, even the currency, before India independent, before we merged with India, we have our own currency, we have our own script, we have our own constitution, but the entire thing has been destroyed. Therefore, what is how that if I choose the Roman script? Am I against the Bengali script? No. We are saying that let the Kokorok be written in Bengali script as well as in Roman script, or even in Hindi, or even if you talk about Devnagari, let it be in Devnagari. How many generations has, gone to the Europe country or gone to the rest of the country by doing their study in Devnagari? Let me bring an example here. China, till 2008, they need interpreter in any international platform because they cannot speak English. Then they realize why they are economically behind than the America. There, in the United Nations, in the Human Council, they have announced that within 5 years, every citizen of China will speak English. And this is what they are doing today. And every citizen of China could communicate in English. Why Tipra people doesn't want to communicate in English? Why the Bengal people doesn't want to study Power in Roman script? What is harm? This is basically his intention is in order to deprive and marginalize the Congolese people. He doesn't want to promote the people of Tipra. Being a chief minister, making such a strong statement is cannot be tolerated. If you see, when the Roman script, when the Bukur has submitted a memorandum to His Excellency Governor, Honorable Governor, Honorable High Court has taken some motor case. And there, PTADC has become a party. And when it was asked why the script is not being given to the Tipra people, without the script, how can you protect what language? That was a question. And they keep on blaming central government. Thereafter, Honorable Court has to serve a notice to the Government of India, and finally the Government of India has submitted the affidavit, and it's clearly written saying that it is under the purview of the state jurisdictions. It is not under the purview of center. The jurisdiction is within the concurrent list of the state. It is not under the concurrent list of central government. In spite of that, and Indian government says we have nothing to do. It is up to you how you deliver them. So in that, why the chief minister is having so much against Papa? Why he is having the hatred towards the Tipra people? So therefore, we strongly condemn, and he should withdraw his statement and apologize to the Tipra people. Secondly, coming to the Tribal Welfare Minister, he was mentioning that some minister, Are bhai, be clear who is that minister who wants to join with BJP. We have only two ministers. One is Honorable Minister Honorable Jabbarma. Second is Honorable Minister Prison Ketu. There are only two to whom we are indicating. Don't simply throw the gun on the air. Yeah. So for that reason you have to apologize to the Tipra people, or else you tell the name who wants to help. We Tipra Mothani being into an alliance with the BJP. There are so many BJP MLAs and MDC, they wanted to come to the Tipra Mothani, but Bukur said no. We are in the alliance. We are in the same government. We don't want to bring to you in our party. Otherwise, it will give the wrong message. So he was very clear. Bukur never wanted those people to come, and he never made any public statement indirectly. So why this Tribal Welfare Minister is hinting out? Today, I would also like to mention, there are so many ministers like Sushanta Chaudhary, like Ratan Lal, like Minister is hinting.